To begin assembling your device, first we will need to remove the front cover from the LPG S1. Use your fingers at the bottom left corner of the device to lift and separate the front cover. After removing the front cover, we can then plug in the Pixel 9a into the USB-C port. The port inside the device can be tilted for easier installation. From there, realign the front cover over the bottom housing unit and press along the edges until the device is fully sealed. Secure the top of the hand strap by sliding it into the slot found above the NFC symbol firmly until it clicks into place. Next, secure the lower end by guiding the arrow through the lower anchor. Then loop it through the slot in the hand strap until it's visible on the other side. To adjust the fit of the hand strap, tighten it by pulling the strap through the buckle. To loosen it, simply lift the buckle and slide the strap back. And with that, your device is fully assembled. To start disassembling the device, begin by removing the hand strap. Unthread the arrow through the lower anchor. Next, push the hand strap upwards to release it from the top anchor. Next, you will remove the Pixel 9a. Start by removing the front cover of your device by using your fingers at the bottom left corner to separate it from the bottom housing unit. For removing the Pixel 9a, you can tilt it up slightly by pushing upwards through the camera slot in the back of the device. Firmly grip the Pixel 9a and pull it to disconnect it from the USB-C port. Lastly, you will realign the front cover over the bottom housing unit and press along all the edges until it's fully sealed. And with that, your device is fully disassembled.